We'll guide you through how to make vintage effect in Lightroom. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Lightroom on your PC to begin editing your photo. Once Lightroom is launched, import the photo you want to edit into the application. After the photo has been imported successfully, select the image from the Library module to prepare it for editing. Next, click the Develop module to access the editing workspace and all available adjustment tools. When the Develop module opens, locate and open the Basic panel to begin making the primary image adjustments. Increase the temperature slightly to add a warmer tone and give the photo a softer, more nostalgic appearance. After adjusting the temperature, reduce the contrast slightly to soften the difference between the bright and dark areas of the image. Continue by lowering the highlights to recover details in the brightest parts of the photo and create a smoother lighting balance. Next, raise the shadows to reveal more details in the darker areas while maintaining a natural-looking result. Once the basic lighting and color adjustments are complete, open the Tone Curve panel to refine the overall tonal appearance of the image. Lift the black point by raising the lower end of the tone curve to create a faded look with softer black tones. Adjust the curve carefully until the faded effect blends naturally with the rest of the photo. Open the Effects panel to add the finishing touches. Increase the grain amount to introduce a subtle film-like texture and give the image a more classic photographic appearance. Adjust the grain level until it enhances the image without becoming too distracting. Next, add a subtle post-crop vignetting effect to darken the edges of the photo slightly and draw more attention toward the center of the frame. Keep the vignette soft so it complements the faded style without overpowering the image.